I was sent these omega-3 gummy vitamins that are vegan, and I was actually really excited because I recently took a blood test that tested for 100 different biomarkers, and proud to say I'm very healthy, but my omegas were way off, and it was recommended that I take omega-3 supplements. So when I got offered this, I was like, yes. Plus, I prefer gummy vitamins and gummy supplements to taking pills. So it just worked out perfectly. Okay, this is what they look like. So they kind of have a darker inside, and then they have a little bit of a bumpy texture. The flavor is mango. Really easy to eat. They're pretty. They kind of taste like candy. You take 2 of these a day. Not hard to take, so simple. What you're getting with it, 1,280 milligrams of your total omegas. Now that does include the DHA, the EPA, and some other omega-3. What I also love is because it's vegan, there's no fishiness to this, which I like that. Okay, let me pop that. And I'll tell you what else you're getting. So what I also like about these is that it's not just omegas. You're also getting the CoQ10, which is really good for your cognitive health, and I love when it combines that. And then you're getting zinc, you're getting vitamin D and K. Vitamin D works best when it's in conjunction with vitamin K, so I love that those are together. And then you also have turmeric and black pepper, another combo where if you just have turmeric without black pepper, it doesn't work as well. So I love that both of those are in there. And then there's some other support blends, all for people over the age of 40, which I happen to be. So these are just awesome omega gummies. If you're over 40, if you're looking for something that has the omegas, but also has a little more, plus it tastes like candy, plus it's just easy to take, 2 a day, made in the US. It's GMP certified, which means it's the highest level of certification for supplements. These are awesome, and I think you're gonna love them as well.